Are you ready for the ultimate summer soak? Grab yours today.
This summer, nobody is safe. The ultimate water gun is here. Soak your friends before they soak you.
This video was made using this water gun and a selfie of myself. I took a picture of this water gun and a selfie of myself and achieved these amazing results. It will give you lip syncing super on points, movements, different angles, and you can achieve this 100% free with your mobile phone. So you don't need to stress yourself trying to get a laptop, try to pay subscription, getting points, getting coin, getting credit. No, it is absolutely free. Take an image of any product you want to talk about or you want to animate with, and your picture, voila, you have it done. Subscribe to the channel, click on bell notification while we dive straight into the tutorial. Let's go straight into it. Don't skip any part of this video so you can achieve the amazing result. Let's go straight into it. You head over to your YouTube application on your mobile phone, click it open, let it open. You see this platform where you click plus sign underneath. From the plus sign, you will see video, short, live, and posts. You need to be on the short platform, all right? You see this arrow up here, that is what you'll be using. This sign up here, this is what we'll be working with. You click it, this interface will come out where you see create video, make me move, photo to video, create music, all right? We are working with create video. You click on create video. This will come up. Of course, you must have image and product image that you want to use. Your model and product image that you want to use. I'll be showing you what I use for my tutorial here. You click on this plus sign to add image. I have my image here. This is my image, my photograph. You click again, you bring up the product you want to advertise, you want to use for your video, which is my water gun here. You have it open. There is a prompt that you'll be pasting here that will animate the image to use the water gun and say what you want the image to say. All right, you click it, go. This will start generating immediately. This is the best and 100% free video generating tools that you can see as at the time I am making this video. It gives you between 8 to 10 seconds video that you can post directly on your YouTube platform. You can get your channel monetized with this. And of course, always toggle on the AI feature that says, yes, this video was made with AI, the voice or the image was made with AI. This is very important whenever you are making AI generating video, all right? So that you'll be at the safe side on YouTube platform. This goes very well in advertising any products, ads, marketing, any product you want to take out there using your image, and you can use this to do affiliate marketing. Super easy and simple. With just few simple steps, you will achieve what you want to achieve.
This summer,
let's watch this.
Nobody is safe. The ultimate water gun is here. Soak your friends before they soak you. This summer, nobody is safe. The ultimate water gun is here. Soak your friends before they soak you.
This is good. This is super
this summer,
good, okay? When you are done,
nobody is safe. The ultimate water
right
gun
here
is
on the edit. You can add text. If you want to add text to it, if you want to add text, you change the colors, work around it how you want it to be. If it's okay by you, you can click on done button up there. If you don't want to add text, you want to add music, you come over here on the music platform. You can create your own music. You can take already existed music down here and work with it. This is Hello, David Jones, David, Memory Reboot, Shadow, Memory Reboot, Slowed. There are so many music here you can use. You can create your own music. If you have already saved music on YouTube, you check here and get your already saved music. This goes very well for your advertising product. If you have any product you want to advertise, this is absolutely easy and super fine for you to use, advertise, make your video stand out from the crowd. Okay, if you are okay with the music or you want to generate, you can click here, create music. You type the type of music you want, laid back, reggae. If you want to create music, you can type here and say summer song. This is just for the tutorial purpose. You click create. Okay, you wait for it to generate the song for you. I just use this. So if you have any type of music, reggae, blues, piano, African beats, local drum, any type of music you want to generate, this platform can generate and create the music for you. This is the lyrics, top down on interstate, feeling like, okay, this is okay. Let's listen to it. Track made with AI. Let's listen to it. You give it a few seconds and it will come up. Couldn't apply that effect right now. Try again. Okay, you can try it again. This is 30 seconds video sound. You couldn't apply that. Okay, that is fine. So when you are done, you can go
This
back.
summer,
This is our video. You can add a sticker to it. If you want to add sticker, this is my image I use. If you know my channel very well, this is my face, this is my image I use, and it's super fine. You can add image here that said image. You come over here, add image. If you don't want to add image, you can sticker. There are so many. You can add AI sticker, question and answer, add yours, poll, quiz. Anyone you are cool with, you can do that. Let's watch it again.
This summer, nobody is safe. The ultimate water gun is here. Soak your friends before they soak you. This summer,
is awesome. So when you are done,
nobody is safe. The ultimate water gun is here.
You click on your next here, this button here, click on it. It will process. When it's done processing, this interface will pop up. You type your title here, summer game, summer water game, summer water gun game. Okay, if this is cool by you, you write it out there. Private, you put it on public. You head over to add description. Is it made for kids? No. Location, you do that. Video, related video, you do that. Paid promotion, no, it is not paid. This is the part you need to toggle on. Use AI. You come here, you say yes, because you use AI to generate this. When you are done doing that, you add your tags. When you are done with all this, you upload your shorts. Down here, this button, you upload. So I won't be uploading this on shorts because I am making this tutorial as long form video where I will upload it on my video so that I don't have reuse content strike. Okay, so this is basically the only AI tool that is working right now. So if you have any AI tutorial you want me to make to carry out on my next video, drop it on the comment section and I will do that for you. Tell you the best AI tool you can get, you can afford. Remember, my name is Anthony Olo. Subscribe to the channel if you love what I do here. Drop a comment on the comment section and don't forget to turn on the bell notification to get notified anytime I bring amazing content your way. See you on my next video. Cheers.